The multinational naval exercise ANNUAL-X 2025 officially commenced on October 20th, 2025 in the Philippine Sea. According to the U.S. 7th Fleet Command, this large-scale exercise marks a significant shift in Japan's defense posture under Kotsu Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi, from a post-war pacifist stance toward a more assertive military presence amid rising regional tensions. Led by the PALD, Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, JMSDF, with strong support from the BOE, United States. ANNUAL-X 2025 aims to test combined combat readiness across maritime and air domains. The exercise also strengthens Allied coordination in logistics, communications, and command networks to ensure a rapid crisis response across the Western Pacific. The centerpiece of the operation revolves around the helicopter carrier J.S. Kaga DDH-184, a symbol of Japan's naval modernization, emphasizing sea control, undersea defense, and air-maritime integration. Kaga's presence reflects Japan's evolving defense priorities: sustained air operations, submarine detection, and the protection of vital sea lines of communication. From the U.S. side, the guided missile destroyer USS Shoup DDG-86 and the guided missile cruiser USS Robert Smalls CG-62 joined the exercise, both equipped with the Aegis combat system, providing layered air and missile defense as well as long-range strike capabilities. A U.S. Navy submarine further enhanced the task force's underwater intelligence and anti-ship warfare capacity, while the P-8A Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft extended Allied surveillance coverage across the region. In the air, U.S. Marine Corps F-35B Lightning II stealth fighters improved situational awareness through advanced sensor fusion and data linking systems. Logistical support was equally vital, with the USNS Amelia Earhart, USNS Wally Schirra, and USNS Tippecanoe ensuring sustained fleet operations without the need to return to port. The exercise also involved naval and air forces from Australia, Canada, France, and New Zealand. This cross-national integration expanded radar coverage, increased submarine detection points, and strengthened the coalition's air defense network. The collaboration is more than symbolic. It forms a tangible operational force that complicates adversary targeting and enhances Allied deterrence. Operationally, ANNUAL-X 2025 focuses on three key domains: maritime communications, anti-submarine warfare, and air operations. The drills tested the Allies' ability to maintain secure connectivity in a contested electronic environment while refining coordination among Aegis systems, anti-submarine helicopters, and fifth-generation aircraft within a unified defensive network. Strategically, the exercise delivers three core messages. First, it demonstrates Allied unity and shared commitment to regional stability in the Indo-Pacific. Second, it reinforces the coalition's presence along vital sea lanes between the Ravirkadert first and second island chains, ensuring the protection of logistical routes. Third, it enhances a robust multi-domain deterrence system, combining surface ships, submarines, and networked air support under an integrated command structure. For Japan, ANNUAL-X 2025 represents a milestone moment. By leading this large-scale biennial exercise, Tokyo proves that its defense reforms are no longer theoretical, but have translated into deployable operational power. The previous iteration, held in 2023, was led by Carrier Strike Group 1, centered on the USS Carl Vinson CVN-70, showcasing American air superiority in the region. The 2025 version, however, places greater emphasis on anti-submarine cooperation, air defense integration, and logistical endurance, reflecting both the evolving threat landscape and the Allies' adaptation to modern warfare. Ultimately, ANNUAL-X 2025 is more than a procedural exercise. It sends a clear strategic message. The Indo-Pacific allies now possess the capability to detect threats earlier, respond faster, and operate cohesively. The Philippine Sea has become not just a training ground, but a stage where Japan and its allies assert their readiness to confront future security challenges. The execution of ANNUAL-X 2025 underscores a profound transformation in the region's security architecture. Amid intensifying Chinese maritime activity in the East and South China Seas, Japan, the United States, and regional partners reaffirm that their defense cooperation is now centered on interoperability and real combat readiness, far beyond the bounds of routine annual drills. Officials from Japan's Ministry of Defense emphasized that this year's exercise embodies Tokyo's proactive defense strategy, the ability to conduct joint operations beyond its territorial waters when necessary to maintain regional stability. This marks a decisive departure from Japan's long-held post-war restraint, signaling a shift toward a more dynamic and adaptive defense posture against emerging modern threats. ANNUAL-X 2025 clearly demonstrates that the Allies have entered a new era of defense cooperation in the Indo-Pacific. This is no longer a symbolic exercise. It is a realistic simulation of modern warfare, combining maritime, aerial, and undersea power in synchronized operations. For a region that has become the focal point of global attention, the exercise serves as a reminder that Indo-Pacific security rests upon real preparedness, allied solidarity, and a shared commitment to maintaining balance. Once again, the Philippine Sea stands as the arena where diplomacy and deterrence converge, under the unified banner of Allied strength.